Meaning of fortunate.
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 Fortunate. Fortunate means having good luck or being lucky. When someone is described as fortunate, it often means that they have had positive experiences or opportunities in their life. This can include things like financial stability, career success, good health, supportive relationships, and overall happiness. Being seen as fortunate by others can also lead to feelings of gratitude and contentment. Of course, being fortunate doesn't necessarily mean that someone's life is perfect or without challenges, but it does indicate that they've had some of the advantages that can make navigating those challenges easier.